For me, after visiting the region, the key word that I would associate with this incredible place is passion. The people that we've met have had passion oozing out of their veins and into their wines. It literally radiates off of the soil and the vines and into the glass that we've all been enjoying. And personally, I had no idea that there was this incredible culture and family heritage and really just passion that I think a lot of us around the world don't quite appreciate about the region. I think there's a lot that we can do to help increase awareness and perception in the UK and other markets around the world. And I think this trip has been exactly what is needed to get more ambassadors into the market, more people loving the Prosecco DOCG and really understanding what that G means in differentiation with the DOC region, and having ambassadors already such as Sarah Abbott, who's a Master of Wine, to bring her influence and her network to the region so we can see it with our own eyes, speak to the people that make the wine, and importantly taste that incredible liquid is exactly what needs to happen.